Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. We're going to go ahead and get started with our December 2009 webcast. And today we'll be covering Microsoft Dynamics CRM Advanced Find and Saved Views. There's a conference number which most of you have called into. To view in full screen mode, just press F5 on your keyboard. A little bit about Webfortis. We develop solutions to help your business grow. We've been doing this since 1996. And we focus on providing custom software solutions that are based on and around Microsoft Dynamics CRM. We integrate and customize business solutions both as standalone and as applications. We have 3 monthly webcasts each month. Here's our upcoming schedule of events. Today's is on there. January's will be Facebook and LinkedIn integration, and then there's a few more listed on there. We'll be adding as the months pass. So most of you use CRM already, so you know what it's about and what we use it for. So it's relationships and interactions, business process driven, and allows you to collaborate between business processes. So it fits your people, it fits your business, and it fits your environment. It's also the easiest, most natural way to use CRM. It's native Outlook folders, it has automatic synchronization, and quick use of relevant information. You track activities with a single click, use sales marketing data right from within Outlook, and share the views across your organization, which is actually what we're going to be touching on today. What you're going to see today is actionable business intelligence. This is the diagram of what CRM offers, and we cover these subjects in our monthly webcast. So the Advanced Find overview is going to show you the find and save views. We're going to touch on how you save them and edit them, look for accounts, and then using the saved views again, and then entering your criteria for your views. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the demo. So this is Microsoft Dynamics CRM, and it's in Outlook, as you're used to seeing. One of the great features of CRM is the ability to search and find CRM data based on complex filter criteria. In particular, the Advanced Find feature allows the user to create their own queries and then save them and reuse them at a later time. Once these queries have been created and saved, the user can then share them with individuals or across the entire organization. Aside from today's webcast, this feature is also covered in Chapter 7 of our book. So let's go into a typical day. Let's say I'm a sales rep. As most people, I start my day by organizing what I want to work on that day and prioritize those activities. Being that I want to focus on activities that are due today or past due, hopefully I don't have too many of those, I'm simply going to create an Advanced Find query that I can save and access at any given time. So right from Outlook, I'm going to navigate to the top of the screen and click Advanced Find. Here we go. When this opens up, I'm going to go through and select my criteria, select the entity that I want to run that criteria search on. So we're going to be looking for activities. I'm going to select this drop-down menu, and I'm going to say due date equals and I'm going to say last X years because I want to capture everything that is past due or due today. So I'm going to say 25 years. That should cover everything that's within our CRM system. The other thing that I want to do is I want to capture activities that are due today. And what I can do, a feature that most people don't utilize as much as they can, I'm going to select this row, and I'm also going to select this row here, and I'm going to say that I want to have everything that is due within the last 25 years or that is due today, so it'll bring back the query of all activities. I'm also going to select the activity status as open. And I'm also going to select only my own activities. So I'm going to select owner equals current user. What I can also do is I can select a related entity. So I'm going to say that these activities, I only want to see activities that are for leads. You could easily select all activities. The list would be quite cumbersome if you're looking at leads, opportunities, accounts, things of that nature. So I'm going to simply leave it like this. I'm also going to edit the columns so that now I can determine what information I want to view when I run my query. I don't really need the activity status, as I've already put in my query that the status equals open. So I can just remove this. Last updated, priority, activity type, and subject. That'll be sufficient for this query. So here's the query. And I'm going to do a find. So when I click on your find, you'll see I have 138 activities that are either due today or past due. These all fall into the criteria that I just set in the query. Then go back to the criteria. I'm also going to save this. And we'll say open activities for leads. And save it. If we go to the Save to View tabs here, you will see that that query opens and it's saved right there. So every morning when I come in, I can simply go to the Save to Views. I can open this, run this query. I can either print it or just view it right from my desktop.